I was wrong about the Bitcoin bull run and everything I knew about the moment of the crypto market. In the dynamic realm of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin's recent trajectory has captured the attention of enthusiasts and skeptics alike, showcasing an accelerating surge with some volatility over the last few days. This remarkable ascension has propelled Bitcoin to surpass its all-time highs of 69,000, an apex last witnessed at the conclusion of 2021 before unforeseen challenges emerged. This bull market rally has some differences that set this cycle apart from 2021 hype cycle, with the bear market washing out some of the worst aspects of the cryptocurrency landscape. The fraud, bankruptcies, crime and cringe-worthy behavior in the crypto industry will never be forgotten. Nevertheless, as we cautiously analyze the next phase of the bull run, the distinct nuances of the cycle seem to set it apart for a more robust foundation. At the heart of the conversation is the explosive growth of Bitcoin ETFs, which have welcomed 9 billion in recent net inflows, allowing for cryptocurrency legitimacy through substantial investment from venerable financial institutions such as BlackRock, Fidelity, and Merrill Lynch. This influx not only asserts significant demand across diverse market segments, but also underscores a pivotal shift in market dynamics, offering a secure gateway to Bitcoin exposure. Among this surge, retail investors may have also ignited the market rally, with on-chain analysis revealing increased activity from smaller wallets, a proxy for retail participation. Yet, indicators suggest that phase is predominantly driven by institutional investors, contrasting previous trends dominated by retail fervor. While recent developments spark optimism, caution remains amidst the crypto lending sector previous turmoil. However, with industry stakeholders advocating for self-regulation and proof of reserves, the hope is for more regulated and stable future, even as challenges loom. The interplay between Bitcoin resilience and broader financial markets, including the surprising resilience of the US tech sector amidst raised interest rates, showcase the potential for crypto to transcend its previous cycles of speculation and volatility. With a more discerning and legitimate approach being embraced, there's a collective aspiration for a more sustainable bull run that reshapes perceptions, but only time will tell. In addition, new emerging technology and diverse narratives are creating immense interest in the use case for both Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Applications in real-world assets, decentralized physical infrastructure network, gaming, and artificial intelligence are getting a lot of exposure as they become integrated into cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Thus, the current climate instills a hopeful vision for what lies ahead in the cryptocurrency sphere. Why I say that I was wrong about this bull run in Bitcoin and, of course, altcoins. I didn't pay too much attention at the power of the approval of the Bitcoin ETFs, which it happened in 10th, 11th of January, and US security regulators said that they approved 11 of them, which back then was huge, but of course, never experiencing this type of power we're gonna have on the crypto market. I was quite sure that we're not gonna achieve a new all-time high before the halving, according to the history of Bitcoin. But now we have all the banks from the world offering to their clients to invest in these ETFs, and in order to have enough, they buy almost every week on the dips of the market, which, in my opinion, makes me think that we're not gonna see any more Bitcoin under 30K. It's my analysis based on facts, and it's not a recommendation to buy. Do your own research always before investing in such a volatility assets. We're gonna have in the future corrections and possibly big ones, especially when the price is gonna achieve higher levels in price. For example, around 100K, for sure we're gonna have a good one. Now let's see a bit what are the possibilities on this market. We have a momentum upside, arriving above 70K, which is a new all-time high. The last one was back in November 2021. we have a big chance that from now on, many investors, especially retailers, they're gonna keep selling their Bitcoin. And the big whales, which are the ones who own the ETFs actually, like BlackRock, Grayscale, Fidelity, Invesco, or ARK Invest of Cathie Wood, which are the top 5 from the 11 ones, or MicroStrategy company listed on Nasdaq, which they have already 205,000 acquired for $6.91 billion at an average price of 33,700 per Bitcoin. So, if all these companies don't sell their assets because they only acquire to back up the ETFs, then the only ones which they are willing to sell are the retailers, which are considered weak hands and they want to take profits on the short term. Of course, there are also these big ones which they want to sell high and buy low, but they control the market, obviously. If we look at the Bitcoin chart in this moment, we can see that the possibility of retracement from where we are is around 48-50k. Although we would love to see Bitcoin at the next one between 40 and 30k. This is just a dream in case of a swan event, unfortunately. No one can predict that. If it will happen, we never know, but a certainty, if the market conditions are not changing drastically, we can see Bitcoin very soon to 100k, which was a dream before January 2024. In the crypto market sentiment analysis, we have the fear and greed index, which in this very moment is in extreme greed. This means that a crash can happen in any moment. Normally, the best moment to enter in the Bitcoin market is when this chart is in extreme fear and to sell on the extreme greed. We have also the RSI index, in which when we are above the 70 line is when we need to prepare for an exiting, and to buy when it's under the 30th line level, like here in June 2022. Now are many other indicators at very alarming signals showing that the Bitcoin is overbought at this very moment. This doesn't mean that we're not gonna keep pumping from where we are. The opportunities now are in the altcoins, which they're gonna pump even harder than Bitcoin, but their bullish trend depends on how Bitcoin will continue from now on. I will not mention in this video which one are the most to succeed. For this, check this video in case you didn't see it. Hope that you make healthy choices and stay level-headed. See you in the next video.